pieces where I feel that needs it. So I'll start in the front. And this section I feel like is the most important because it frames your face and it kind of just makes the whole look, I think. So I grab a piece around this size. My straightener, by the way, I think I got from, I don't know, I think Ross or something like that. It's amazing, I love it. Okay, so I go kind of in the middle of my hair, clamp it, I twist it all the way over, grab this part and slide it down. And you'll see it gives it a nice curl, and a lot of times I don't want it to be that curly, so I'll just go over it and straighten the entire thing. And it kind of makes it a little bit more loose. So that's my first piece. And then I go right under that and I go towards my face. So this one I went away from my face, this one I'm gonna go towards my face. I wanna do them all different directions because I wanna make sure that it looks more like natural waves and not like I curled my hair with a curling iron. Here we go, so those are those two spots. I'll always do the entire top with opposite directions because all of this shows, but some of the hair on the bottom you can't really tell of it. And that's pretty much how I do my hair. I have this oil that I recently got from Target and it has changed my hair. Like, it has made my hair so soft. Not only my hair, but my extensions. I can put my fingers completely through my hair, no problem. It's this Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. Oh, amazing. And it smells so good, so clean. I'm like obsessed with it. I wish I could have just put this all over my body because it's so soft. It makes my hair so beautiful. I love it. So I highly suggest, if your hair is feeling really dry and it's very knotty, you will love them. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Ew. I work at Disney, so I'm always like, hi, princess. Bye. Ryder, stop. No. Okay. Love you. Thank you for watching. It's been about 25 years. My dogs are just staring at me. I swear they think I'm crazy.